In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a Pepperstone account. By the end, you'll know exactly how to prepare your account, request the closure, and what to expect after it's done. First, make sure your trading account is completely clear. That means closing every open position and canceling any pending orders. Take a moment to double-check in your platform's open positions and orders sections so nothing is left running in the background. If you use multiple platforms or accounts, verify each one. Brokers require a clean slate for closure, and even a small pending order can put the process on hold. Next, withdraw any remaining funds. Log into your secure client area, head to Funds, then Withdraw Funds, and complete the withdrawal for your full balance. The goal is to bring the account to a zero balance. Keep in mind that processing times can vary depending on your payment method, so consider waiting for the funds to fully clear before moving on. If your balance isn't fully withdrawn, the broker may not complete the closure. Once your account is flat and your funds are out, request the account closure with Pepperstone support. You can send a message using the email address listed on their official support page or use live chat from within the secure client area. Clearly state that you'd like your trading account closed and be ready to confirm your account details if asked. If you maintain more than one account, specify which one you want closed to avoid any confusion. If you'd like faster assistance or need help at any point, use the support options available on the Pepperstone website. The phone number for your region and live chat links are published on their support page, and the team can guide you through any final checks. They can also confirm when your request has been received and is being processed. After you submit the request, allow a few business days for the closure to be completed. You won't be able to place trades on that account once it's closed, and your trading history will no longer be accessible through the platform. Before you finalize everything, consider downloading any statements, tax reports, or trade history you might need later. It's much easier to save those now than to retrieve them after the account is gone. If you decide to return in the future, you'll need to open a new account and go through the standard onboarding process again. That's it. Close open trades, withdraw your funds, request the closure with support, and confirm once it's processed. Follow these steps carefully, and your Pepperstone account will be closed smoothly.